Good morning, students of class 4. Today I am going to explain the sixth part of the second lesson, The Bell of Athe. Already we have completed word meaning and exercises. So my dear students, please take your notebook and write the inside questions first. You can write lesson number 2, The Bell of Atri. Then write inside questions. First one is, give 3 examples of when the bell was rung. Okay, 3 examples. See that we can see here, isn't it? When somebody stole farmer's sheep, the bell rang. Then grandmother's special pea, and when the child was teased, isn't it? So these are the 3 examples. So you can write the answer like this. The bell was rung when farmer's sheep was stolen, comma, somebody ate. You can write like this. The bell was rung, R-U-N-G, when farmer's sheep was stolen, comma, when somebody ate grandmother's pea without her permission. Okay, you can write without her permission, and when the child was teased. This is the answer of first question. The bell was rung when farmer's sheep was stolen, comma, when somebody ate grandmother's pea without her permission, and when the child was teased. Okay, these are the 3 examples when the bell was rang. Now, the second one. How do you think people can get rusty? That is how. First question, first answer. Then again that how do you think you would get rusty if you did not use magic words like please, thank you and sorry? Okay, so the second one is what? See, here we can see, isn't it, the answer? If you go to the same line, see, he had been a good soldier. The tales of bravery, adventure. It asks, people just like grow rusty when they are not used. The soldier had grown lazy. So how will you write? People get rusty when they do not do anything. Anything means you can write the answer. People get rusty when they are not used or when they are not doing anything. So the answer is, you can write like this. People can get rusty. This is your exact answer. Okay. People can get rusty when they do not do anything. Okay, when they do not do anything. I repeat the answer. People can get rusty when they do not do anything. Okay, answer. Now, how do you think we would get rusty if you did not use magic words like please, thank you and sorry? Okay, the answer is, if we did not use magic words like please, thank you and sorry, people will not give value to us. Okay, you can write the answer. If we did not use magic words, if we did not use magic words like please, thank you and sorry, people will not give any value to us. Okay, I repeat the answer. If he did not use humble words like please, sorry, and thank you, people will not give any value to us. Now, the next question is where were there no people on why were there no people on the street? Okay, when that sheep, I mean horse came there, nobody was there, isn't it? So to keep the why? Because of the heat. So you can write the answer. People were not on the street because of the heat. Okay, you can write the answer. People were not on the streets because of the heat. Now, the next question. How do you think the judge spoke to the soldiers strictly, kindly, or jokingly? Can the judge spoke to the soldiers strictly, isn't it? Yeah, you can write the answer. The judge spoke to the soldiers strictly. So, all these inside answers please write in your copy. Now, next comes the next question is what? Reference to context, that is long ago in Italy there ruled a king named John. King was well known for his goodness and wisdom. One day the king and his ministers came to a small town called Atri. So first question is, what was King John well known for? What was he? The king, you can write the answer. King John was well known for his goodness and wisdom. You can write the answer in this way. King John was well known for his goodness and wisdom. Goodness, GOODNESS. Wisdom, WISDOM. Second number, which word is the opposite of foolishness? You can write the answer. The opposite of foolishness is wisdom. What is the opposite of foolishness? That is wisdom. The opposite of foolishness is wisdom. Now see, what did the king order for the town of Atri? You can write the answer. The king ordered a bell to be hung for the town of Atri. You can write. The king ordered a bell to be hung for the town of Atri. So, my dear students, this we completed one part. Now let us go to the next. One afternoon, looking for something to eat, the sad old horse wandered into the town of Atri. Whose horse was this? Whose horse was? Whose horse it was? It was soldier's horse. How will you write the answer? 4A. That is, it was soldier's. SOLDIER'. Okay, soldier's horse. Number 2. Which two words describe the horse? The two words that describe the horse are sad and old. Okay. Which two words describe the horse? You can write. The two words that describe the horse are sad old. Okay, this. Why was the horse looking for something to eat? Why were? So you can write the answer. The horse was hung. The horse was looking for something to eat. The horse was looking for something to eat because it was hungry. It was hungry. Okay, it was hungry. The horse was looking for something to eat because it was hungry. Okay, now all these the reference to context 6 question answers we completed, and inside also we completed. So my dear students, please write all these answers in your copy. Take care, be safe, and have a good day. Thank you.